Welcome to Latchel Training. Today's session is, what is reinforcement learning? You wouldn't expect a brand new team member to know your properties, your vendors, or your process on day one. They need training. They need feedback. Over time, they get sharper and more reliable. The Latchel system works the same way, and that's where reinforcement learning comes in. Reinforcement learning is how our system improves by doing and by getting feedback on what it did. When it routes a work order correctly or asks the right questions during intake, it learns to keep doing that. When it misses the mark, it learns to adjust. It's not a one-time setup, it's continuous. The system keeps getting better at handling things the way your company actually operates. As a property manager, your time is the scarcest resource you have. Every work order that needs a second look, every intake detail that gets missed, every back and forth to get a rule dialed in, that's time you don't get back. Reinforcement learning is what lets the system adapt specifically to how your company handles maintenance, instead of a generic, one-size-fits-all process. The goal is fewer corrections, faster turnaround, and tenants who get the right help the first time. Let's look at 3 real examples of reinforcement learning in action. These are actual pieces of property manager feedback that helped the Latchel system make better decisions when handling future work orders for their companies. Here's our first one. A resident's refrigerator stopped working. Based on that property manager's rules at the time, the system classified it correctly. They hadn't yet set refrigerator issues to be emergencies. That property manager's feedback said it should be classified as an emergency, and that's exactly the kind of input that let us update their rule, so refrigerator issues are now flagged as emergencies for their portfolio going forward. Nothing was broken. That's reinforcement learning simply doing its job. Here's another example. 1 p.m. flagged an intake session where a resident reported a slow-draining toilet and shower, clearly a plumbing backup. But no vendor had been assigned because their company's rule for issues to automatically dispatch only covered appliance and mechanical breakdowns. Plumbing fixtures simply hadn't been added to that rule yet. That feedback didn't just fix one job, it helped us update their rule to include plumbing fixtures. So issues like that one are now correctly captured going forward. And one more. In a third case, a plumbing job was routed to a plumber, but the PM would have preferred their own handyman handle it. When we looked into it, we found the handyman simply hadn't been tagged as someone who handles plumbing fixes on the PM's list of preferred providers. That feedback helped us update the tagging on their list, so their preferred vendor gets matched correctly going forward. 3 different pieces of feedback. 3 real improvements. All of them came directly from people rating what they saw and helping reinforce how they do and do not want the Latchel system operating for their companies. You're already in a position to help train it every day. Every time you use the thumbs up or thumbs down on a work order or an intake session, you're sending us a signal. Thumbs up tells the system, yes, that's exactly right. Keep doing that. Thumbs down tells us something didn't match your expectations, so we know exactly where to look and adjust, whether that's how a work order is categorized, prioritized, or routed. One tip, your rang should reflect the system's decision, like whether the categorization, urgency, or routing was accurate, not outside factors like a vendor running late. That keeps the feedback focused on what actually helps the system learn. And to be clear, this isn't a black box making changes solely on its own. Our team reviews the patterns in your feedback and makes deliberate adjustments to the system based on what you're telling us. Your ratings give us the signal. People help guide the system to make sure it gets the feedback right. The more you use those thumbs up and thumbs down ratings, the faster the system learns your company's specific needs, meaning fewer corrections, faster resolutions, and a smoother experience for your team and your tenants over time. So next time you review a work order or an intake session, take 2 seconds to rate it. It's a small action that makes a real difference for your portfolio. Thank you for learning with us. Continue building smarter maintenance operations with Latchel.